All right, let's go ahead and have a card selected. In this case, we have the 4 of diamonds. We'll go ahead and place it about center. We can try getting that card to reveal itself by coming to the top of the deck. Sometimes you get it, that's close, right? The 3, but yeah, that's not too exciting. How about we try doing something with the 3? If we just place your hand on top and you rub, you can actually get it to disappear just for a moment, only to reappear. Yeah, that's pretty exciting stuff, but even cooler is that card managed to actually turn into your 4 of diamonds. Yeah, it's pretty cool how that works, right? You just kind of rub the card. And yeah, we'll try that again. Take the card, just give it a rub. And yeah, I think that card is completely gone. How about that? All right, this is a fun card, Vanish. It just uses a little bit of sweat on the palm to be able to keep the card just momentarily and then bringing the card down to get it to reappear. It looks amazing. It's funny to do. Let's go ahead and learn it right now. So you can use any sort of technique to bring their card to the top of the deck, cutting the card to the top, and you can perform any sort of double lift to show them the second card and say, was that your card? No, and then you're just placing their card on to the table. Now, there are obviously many different vanishes. There's the vanish where you act like you place it onto the table, but this one you are actually placing the card underneath the hand, like so. And so you say, maybe if we rub the card, we can actually get the card to maybe turn into your card. And as you're doing that, you're putting pressure onto the card and rubbing it. And as you lift up, you see you'll have the card stick to your hand for a good second or two. So you just rub, you can say we can get the card to vanish momentarily, only to reappear. And in that moment of reappearing, sure enough, that card turned into your selection. Now let's just look at a couple of tricks, because at first it's a little bit of a knack, right? Like, where do you put the pressure? Because sometimes I was trying on the left side and sometimes that didn't work as well. What I found working best is actually the first finger and the thumb on the outside right here. And as you push down, that tends to do a pretty good job sticking. My hands are a little sweaty right now, so it's even easier than ever. But if you suffer from, but like me, I suffer from sweaty hands when performing, which is awful. But at least for this Vanish, it actually works in my favor. So you can see, you can keep that card in that palm for a good amount of time. If you feel it slipping, bring it on down and then produce the card. And then from there, you can go into acting like you're placing the card underneath and then brush that card away. So I hope you guys enjoyed that fun card vanish and reappear into their selection. It's a great one to do, a quick one, easy one once you get the hang of it. So thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you next time.